National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Oklahoma City, Oregon, 4 miles west of Stanley Draper Lake, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, northern Norman, Moore, Midwest City, Choctaw, Harrah, Valley Brook, Stanley Draper Lake, Stella, Dewala, Tinker Air Force Base, and northern Lake Thunderbird. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.